What's up, everybody? So this dent right here is for a dealership. So you can see right here, I got my hand behind the panel, and I started pushing with my hand really hard. This thing was pretty locked up in there, but I tried to push and push really hard with my hand, and a lot of it came out, as you can see. Pushed it up. So this dent didn't come out 100%, but definitely a lot better, you know, from what it was. Alright guys, enjoy the video.